How do I wire a heating coil assembly on a Samsung DB210E/the electric dryer? There is the heating coil, thermostat, and high temp fuse on the assembly that need to be wired together.
Hi, welcome to Just Answer. Sorry to hear you are having appliance trouble. I know how frustrating that can be. My name is. I look forward to helping you. The supply wire goes first to the fuse, out of the fuse to the high limit thermostat, and then out of the high limit thermostat to the heater terminal.
There is a red wire and a blue wire coming out of the wiring harness located towards the front of the heater assembly. The blue wire is longer and leads towards the rear of the assembly to the thermal fuse. Is that the feeder line? And does it matter which side of the fuse is connected to the feed line?
Yes, connect it to the fuse. It does not matter to which terminal, but usually they are placed in sequence so that the wires work toward the element terminals. So the supply wire goes farthest back, then work forward with the jumpers between the fuse, thermostat and element. See the attached wiring diagram.
Thanks. Got it hooked back up.
Excellent, nice work. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.